Hi guys, this is Sandy's Vintage Doll channel, and these are live pets, little live pets. This is a tweet talking birds. And you used to put batteries in them, but yeah, I might open them another time. These have 2 AA batteries. This should be replaced by an adult if a child's using playing with it. Adult supervision on the bag. And then there's other ones you can buy. As well. There's by Riz Toys. And there's their website. There's made in China. There's 30 different sounds. So and the other one is a turtle. Baby, a mother and a baby. And they swim in water and can walk on the ground, land. I'll have to open this in another video. And they take about AAA batteries as well. And there's a website, livepets.com. Read that, and pause if you want to. There's instructions there. And it's, yeah, so one turtle and baby, an instruction booklet. And there's the other turtles you can get. And then you can get a turtle tank as well. And that's how I got online. For about $10, I think. So not too bad. Cool. Yeah. So you can get their own little tank as well. So not for 3 and under. Yeah. Yeah. But let's see. Let's say which is 5 and up. So 5 year up, 5 and up, 5 years and up, 5 plus. And this. And they have an age soon. Not for children under 3 years. So I was thinking 5 plus 5 years as well for this one. 5 years and up. So not under 3 years. 5-year-old and up only. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like and comment and share the video. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.